In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay account and get started with selling by verifying your details, listing your products, and monitoring your sales. First things first, creating an eBay account. Head over to the eBay website. If you're new to eBay, you'll see an option to register. Click that, and you'll be prompted to fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. This step is crucial, as these details will help eBay communicate with you and protect your account. After filling out this information, you'll receive a confirmation email. Be sure to check your inbox and follow the instructions in that email. Once your email address is verified, your account setup is complete and you're ready to start selling. Now that you have an account, let's dive into listing your first product. Look for the Sell option. You can't miss it. It's prominent on the top of the page. Click it and you'll be taken to a page where you can select your product category. This step is essential because it ensures your item is discovered by the right buyers. eBay will guide you through various categories, so pick the one that accurately represents your item. Next, it's time to focus on your product's title and description. A clear title and a detailed description are key to attracting potential buyers. Make sure your title is straightforward and includes important keywords, as this will improve the chances of your item appearing in search results. In the description, provide as much detail as possible. Mention the product's condition, size, color, and any other relevant information. Thorough descriptions not only answer potential questions but also build trust with buyers. Once your title and description are set, you'll need to upload high-quality photos of your product. Good photos can make all the difference. Aim for bright, well-lit images that clearly showcase your item from multiple angles. Remember, the quality of your photos can greatly influence a buyer's decision. With your photos uploaded, it's time to set your price and shipping options. Consider the market for your item and choose a competitive price that reflects its value and condition. You'll also need to decide how you want to handle shipping. eBay provides various options, including offering free shipping or charging a flat rate. Choose what works best for you, keeping in mind that shipping options can affect your rankings on eBay and buyer satisfaction. Finally, you'll publish your listing. Before you do, double check all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once it's live, your item is available for buyers to discover. Keep an eye on your listing, monitor for sales, and be prepared to answer any queries potential buyers might have. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created an eBay account, listed your first product, and are now ready to venture into the world of e-commerce.